It's a 2014 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, AM/FM satellite radio, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com notes it's easy to see why the Q5 has such a broad appeal, being a favorite pick for active singletons and small families alike. When you drive an Audi, the design and the performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Your satisfaction is our goal. We're conveniently located at 2375 County Road 10 in Mounds View, Minnesota.